Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will study about the defect structure of UO2 or uranium dioxide. The defect formula of uranium dioxide is given by this UO2 plus X. Okay, it is the defect formula of the uranium dioxide. Here, value of X is between 0 and 0.25. Okay, it is greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0.25. Okay, somewhere these two value, the value of X lies. Okay. Now, by looking into this formula UO2 plus X, what we can make out is this uranium dioxide is an oxygen rich system. Okay, it is an oxygen rich system, and to study this defect structure of UO2, we cannot go for X-ray diffraction study. Okay, X-ray diffraction study is not used for the study of UO2. Okay, why? Because if we study this uranium dioxide by using X-ray diffraction study, what happens that this uranium is a radioactive element, correct? So, since this is being a radioactive element, whenever we pass the X-ray, there may be a scattering of uranium. Okay, the uranium scatters in the presence of X-ray, and we cannot get any information about the oxygen. Okay. If we use X-ray, what happens? The uranium scatters and we cannot able to get any information about the oxygen. So, we cannot go for this X-ray diffraction study. Instead, what we can do is we can go for the neutron diffraction study. Okay, we can go for neutron diffraction study or technique. Okay, to study this uranium dioxide, we are using this particular technique. Okay, neutron diffraction study. Okay, now let me show you the defect structure of uranium dioxide. Okay, this is the defect structure of uranium dioxide. Okay, now here you can see that the corners, every corner is having the oxygen. Okay, and here you can see the interstitial site for the extra oxygen. That means I already said that uranium dioxide is an oxygen rich system, correct? That extra oxygen will have the place here. Okay, this is a place for the extra oxygen. Okay, and this interstitial site is present at the alternative cubes. Okay, this is present at the alternative cubes. It is not present here or here. It is present in every alternative cubes. Okay, and it was earlier believed that this site is an ideal for the extra oxygen atom. Okay, but neutron diffraction study said that it is not an ideal site, because here if an extra oxygen come and sit at this interstitial site, what happens that here you can see that there are 8 oxygen atom, right, that is surrounding this interstitial site. If an oxygen come over here, and here also you have 8 oxygen, and that means there will be a repulsion. We know that like charges always repel, correct? This is an oxygen having negative charge 2 minus. Here also you will be having oxygen, so there will be a repulsion. Okay, so what happens is that the extra oxygen, it will not go here. Instead, it get displaced towards the edge of the cube. Okay, it will come somewhere here. Okay, it is not going here. Instead, it get repelled by all this crowd into the cube edge. Okay, whenever the electron is displaced to this cube edge, what happens is that you have oxygen here also, correct? So, whenever the oxygen get displaced into the cube edge, these oxygen ion also get repelled by their side. Okay, let me show here. Here it is. Okay, in the oxygen atom, it won't go and sit here. Instead, it will be present here. Okay, because of the crowded area, and whenever it come here, it will displaces the nearby oxygen also. Okay, it come here, and this oxygen atom or oxygen earlier it was present here, but once this come here, it get repelled to here. Okay, so neutron diffraction study says that in the defect structure we have 3 interstitial oxygen. Okay, we have 3 interstitial oxygen. One is this, one is this, and one is this. Okay, this is proved by the neutron diffraction study. And also there are 2 vacant sites. Okay, that is obtained by the neutron diffraction study. So, the neutron diffraction study shows that there is a presence of 3 interstitial oxygen and 2 vacant sites and 1 interstitial site in the defect structure of UO2. Okay, this is confirmed by the neutron diffraction study. Okay, so this is the defect structure of uranium dioxide. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so what you have, this is the defect structure of uranium dioxide. Every corner you will be having an oxygen. Okay, and it was believed that extra oxygen will go and sit at the interstitial site that is present at the alternative tube, but since it is very crowded by the 8 oxygen, this site is not an ideal. Okay, so the oxygen ion get displaced into the cubage. Okay, when it come here, the other 2 oxygen also get displaced into the interstitial site. Okay, so in the defect structure what we have, we will be having 3 interstitial oxygen. Okay, this is indicating 3 interstitial oxygen, and this is the vacant site that is formed by the displacement of oxygen, and also there is a presence of 1 interstitial site in the defect structure of UO2. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you for watching.